Hi guys, for today's teardown, it was 2 euros on eBay, so I grabbed it. Can you guess what it is? From the back maybe. Will you recognize this brand? Yes, it is a vintage HP-5382A frequency counter. So I did test it. It is working correctly. Well, it is accurate enough for my needs. Maybe it needs a little bit of paint over this cover. It is die-cast aluminium. So it seems very vintage. We will see if we find the manufacturing date. We have here the last calibration due to be 1997. So I will open it real quick. And by the way, I am using for this video a new camera. Well, not new, but second hand. It is a JVC Everio HM334 instead of a HM200. I hope the audio will be better. It has some nice features as the time-lapse, and I did pay 80 euros for it. So here is what we have inside. You can see very serious construction here. Die-cast aluminium, big circuit board. I have to flip it like so to remove the other side. So, and also I will remove the front panel. So at first glance we have a very old school construction, as you can see. I will zoom a bit, start at the back. Big capacitors here and a date code of 1975 here. So this thing is as old as me. So linear transformer here, voltage selector here, IEC input, fuse, and main circuit board with the regular golden Hewlett-Packard tracks with, I can see at least 3 proprietary HP ICs, well, gold ceramic ones, here, here and here, and a few more here by National Semiconductors. Real mains power switch, as you can see, which is wired from the front here to the fuse. And in fact very little bit of electronics in this thing. Some goop here around the resistors. It does not prevent it to work. I am not sure what it is. Trimming resistor here on the front. So it is interesting because it looks like one of the displays has been replaced. You can see it is not the same. And at the back the solder seems to have been reworked on this one here. It is the same part number, I guess, but they did replace it, and it looks like it is upside down. So it might be normal, but looks weird. We have resistor network here, board-to-board solder connections here, so you cannot unplug this board. Here probably main driver chips for the display, and here the transistors controlling each one of the display. So it must be multiplexed. And here we have a very old school looking capacitor in tubular ceramic. Even for 1975 it is really old. Very expensive, I believe it is silver and mica. Capacitors here made by Sangamo. and in fact it is all for this thing, so it is working. I cannot measure exactly the accuracy, but it does agree with my other frequency meters within 1 Hz, so I believe it is good enough. Backside, I am checking at the same time the solders, see if there is anything to redo. Here maybe a little bit. Apart from this, it is actually quite clean, and for a 2 euros device I cannot complain. It was quite a deal, in fact. The dude did sell several things including aircraft parts at very low price, and I ended with 2 things, this and aircraft war receiver I got for 1 euro. Okay, so quite happy with this little item. It will be useful probably. So I will finish to clean it and put it back together. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.